All right, guys, today we're going to be studying about matter. Nick, have you ever heard about matter? No? Okay. Matter is anything that has mass and volume. Okay, you got your pen? All right. Write that down, okay? Matter. Take notes. It's anything that has mass or volume. Okay. Does that make more sense?
Yes.
Okay. Then give me an example of something that might be matter.
Water.
Okay, water in what?
A bottle.
Water in a bottle? Okay, so if we have a bottle, if I can draw a good bottle here, Nick. If it's filled up with water, if that's the water, what's the matter?
Water.
The water? Okay, if this is the water, what's the matter?
The bottle.
No, what's the matter? Where's the matter at? If this is the bottle, this is the water, what's the matter?
Water.
The water. Because it's anything that has mass and volume. Okay? Matter can be three different things. Okay, write these down. Matter can be a gas. Matter can be a solid. And matter can be a liquid. Okay, now can you think of more examples besides the water bottle? Come up here on the board. Leave your pen at your desk. Use this marker on the smart board and write me something that may be matter, that you would understand as matter. Now write what that is for the class.
Here.
Just anywhere, yes. A ball. Okay. And what is the, show me, come over here, stand next to the board. Okay. Show me the ball. Okay. And where is the matter? And what is the matter?
Air.
Air? All right. Good job. Okay, you can sit down. We've got a list of vocabulary words that we have to know with this assignment, okay, to learn about matter. The first one, of course, is matter, and we've already went over it. Matter is anything that has mass and volume, okay? I'll skip down here because I'll skip right here. The three basic phases of matter is gas, solids, and liquid. We just went over. So it could be the water in the bottle. It could be the ball, the air in the ball. You think of anywhere gas would go?
Gas.
You can't think of no place gas would go? Maybe in a gas tank
Oh yeah.
or a propane tank, right? Okay. Any place else you think gas could go?
Yeah. Bottle.
In a bottle? Yeah, probably not a good idea, but it probably can. All right, our vocabulary words to go with this, it has to be understood. The next thing is mass. Mass is, right there, keep your notes, okay? Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Okay? All right, good. So can you come back to the board for a minute? In there. Now, if this is the bottle, and this is the what? What's in the bottle? The water. What's the water?
The matter.
The matter. So if the mass is the amount of matter in the object, what does that mean to you? To you. Because the mass is the amount of matter in an object. Does that mean anything to you? Okay, that's fine. So if we have this bottle full of water or half full of water, then the amount of water is the mass. It's the amount of matter in an object. So this is the water bottle. This is the matter. The amount of the water or matter is the mass. Okay? All right. We're going to move on past this, and we're going to get back to this to do some understanding. Okay? All right. Go ahead and sit back down. And we'll keep going with the vocabulary words. We said that matter was anything that has mass and volume. And we said that it was either a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Okay? A solid is particles packed close together and not free to move about. If you put the water in this bottle, then can you move it?
Yes.
If I get my water bottle, the water in it, is it matter?
Yes.
Okay. Is it free to move in the container?
Yes.
Yep, oh, spill some. Okay, so do that. If you put a solid material in there, if you balled that paper up and filled this full, would it move like that?
No.
Okay, a liquid is just what it says. It's a fluid that conforms to the shape of its container. So if you put this amount of water, which is the mass, into a different container, no matter what it might be, a cup, anything, then it's not going to be shaped like this, is it? No? Okay, it'll be whatever it goes into, it's going to lay the way the container is, correct?
Yes.
All right. And then gas, which we won't go into very much because we don't have anything with gas here, and don't want anything with gas here. It's substance that will expand freely, has no fixed shape, unlike a solid. This is a solid, right? It's a football. Okay. Gas has no fixed shape to it, and it has no fixed volume, like the liquid. That's your volume, right?
Yes. If
it was gas, it's not going to be like that, right? Can you really see it? Probably not. Not if it's gas like helium balloons,
yeah,
that kind of gas, or propane tanks. You can't physically see it, can you? So it's not okay. All right. Then you have your volume, which is the quantity. Can you see?
Yes.
You have your volume, which is the quantity in an enclosed surface. So we've already talked about that. You understand what that is?
Yes.
Okay, which is your volume of it. And a density is part of the lesson, but we'll go on past it. Tell you the definition. We'll study that in a later lesson. It is the total mass divided by the total volume. And we'll study that in the next chapter, okay? All right, we're going to do a couple of experiments, okay? That way you can see a little bit more about matter. You used a ball, okay, right? Okay, here's your ball. And you said air in a ball, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you gonna play basketball?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Here's your pump. So if you pump air into the ball, okay. Does the ball feel Like it's got some more in it?
Yes.
Can you see what's in it?
No.
Not like a bottle of water, can you? Okay. Now, if you take this cup, standard measuring cup that you might see your parents use in the kitchen. Okay, see the marks on it?
Yes.
How much? How much? How much? Okay, goes up to a cup. All right, pour that about half full of one of those marks. Okay. Now you have matter in that cup. What is the matter?
4 ounces.
4. Okay. That though, the matter is what in the cup?
The mass.
No, the matter is what you just poured into the cup?
Water.
Water. So, is that the matter?
Yes.
Because is it a liquid,
Yes.
a gas, or a solid?
It's liquid.
Liquid. Okay. So, what is the mass of matter in this cup?
Water.
What's the mass? You know that the water is the matter, right? Because it's a liquid. All right. We want to know the amount of matter in an object.
The amount.
So what's the amount?
4 ounces.
Okay. So that's your mass. Okay? Just the amount. Does that make sense?
Yes.
You can pretty good measure it in this, can't you? You can't measure it as good in this with air, can you?
No.
Or if that was gas. Right? Okay. I'm gonna give you move this ball, okay? Do you have any questions?
No.
No? You sure?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna move this ball and get your water. Comes from the lab. And I am going to give you and your partner, I'll be your partner since we don't have no more students. You can have your pen, and I will get my pen. And we are going to sit across from each other. I'll write the first definition, and you write the second definition. Right, we'll trade cards. You look at my definition, I'll look at your definition. And on the back of the card, you write what that is, okay? So mine is anything that has what? Mass and volume. So what is that?
Matter.
Matter. So write matter on the back. And you wrote the amount of matter in an object, okay? So the amount of matter in an object is
Mass.
mass. So I'll write mass right here. Okay. I want you and your partner to do that for all of our definitions for the week.
Okay.
I want you each to do each one, and when you get home, I want you to study your flashcards for a small quiz tomorrow to see how you have, how your understanding is on matter. Okay, do that at home. All right. Do you have any questions?
No.
No. Okay.